started with our first query, right? We started with our first query. The library database, first query. Is the screen visible? Is the screen visible?
No, ma'am.
Yes or no? We are talking about the first query. We already written the process. Any doubt in the process? Anybody has any doubt in the process? I want an answer. Hello? Hello? Are you there in the class? Hello? Hello? Am I audible? Vinaya? Hello? Hello, Vinaya?
Yes, ma'am.
What happened? Nobody is responding. Is the screen visible?
No, ma'am, it's not visible.
Huh?
No, ma'am.
No, huh?
No, ma'am.
It is showing, it is presenting.
I'm not able to see it, ma'am.
Huh?
I'm not able to see it, ma'am.
What about others?
No, ma'am.
No, huh? Okay, I will once again share it. Now?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we had written the process. You understood why we are writing the process? Yes or no? To understand the attributes which are to be retrieved, we have to find out which tables are required and which table attributes we have to access in the order depending upon the requirement. Okay, that is the process. We have drawn the UML diagram also and we have checked for it. Now, I told you to write the output. Correct? Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you written the output? Have you written the output?
No, ma'am.
No. Why? What is the question asked? Okay, now only we will see. What is the question asked? Retrieve the details of all the books in the library. That is ID, title, name of the publisher, author, number of copies, and then with respect to program, which program. So we have to have the output for that particular program name, all the information related to the books in that program. So now go to your table values with respect to book table, and correspondingly you should also know the program name for which the books are available with respect to number of copies. Okay. So what all output values will be there? The library That is the program ID. Here it is showing as branch, but it is a program ID in your new syllabus. Program name, book ID, title, publisher name, publication year, author name and number of copies. These are the values to be displayed. So you can see that with respect to the query, we are supposed to get these values. How many? 7 rows you should get. That is 7 records will be displayed with respect to the program ID, program name, then book ID, title, publisher name, publication year, author name and number of copies. This is what you should get as the output. Clear about the output? What all attributes will be displayed? Because with respect to program name, that is with respect to every program name, we want to display the program ID, book ID, title, publisher name, publication year, author name and number of copies. So for with respect to every program name, the values are displayed. Okay? Hello? Nobody is responding. What is the problem? Hello? Are you there? Hello? Hello? Vinaya? Hello, Vinaya? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the problem? Why nobody is responding?
Ma'am, my Wi-Fi is a little slow today.
Huh? I'm not able to hear you. Little loud, please.
Ma'am, my data is not proper today.
Okay. So whatever I told you, is it clear? Hello? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, before moving on to the query, I would like to go through simple queries in our syllabus and then go for the writing the select statement for this particular query, because join statement and all we have not yet done in the syllabus. So I will do that part first and then we will go further. Is the screen visible? Is the screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello? Is the screen visible, Vinaya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have we done the first query? Is the screen visible? Hello? Kirti? Vinaya. Hello?
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Screen is visible, right?
It is visible, ma'am.
Okay. I think first query we have already
Yes, ma'am.
with respect to retrieving the birth date and address of the employee, we have done that. Okay, we will move to the next query. Did we do this? Retrieve the name and address of all employees who work for research department. Did we do this? Hello? I'm asking a question. Did we do this query 1? Kirti? Hello?
No, no, ma'am.
No,
First
ma'am.
one you have written the query. Just check in your notebook. Not in the observation book, in your regular notebook.
Yes, ma'am. During classes
We
we
wrote,
did.
right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We
This
did
one we have
that.
written. John Smith, we have written, no? I think we have written this. Just check once.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
query 0 is done. Now we come to query 1. Query 1 says retrieve the name and address of all employees who work for research department. Okay. All of you have data of company database. Correct? All of you have company database data with you people. Okay. What I want you to tell me is where is name and address available in the company database? Tell me where name and address is available in company database.
Employee relation.
Correct. In employee, F name, L name is available. Address is also available in employee table. Okay. Now, condition asked is the department research. Where is research available? The value research is available in which table? Value research is available in
Department.
huh? Which table? I want a
Department, ma'am.
department. Very good. So now to retrieve the name and address, we require employee table. And to check for the condition, we require department table. So how many tables are required here in this particular query? How many tables are required? I want answer. We require two tables.
2 tables.
Employee and department. Okay? Hello? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
We want two tables. Now, I want you to draw the UML diagram for employee table linking to department table and only the attributes which are linked from employee to department and attributes which are to be retrieved. Can you draw the UML? Everybody should draw the UML. You have to draw two tables. One is employee, another one is department. Can you tell me which attributes you will write for employee table? For this query, which attributes you will write for employee table? Hello? I'm asking a question, you have to answer for it.
Name and address.
For employee table, attributes required are
F name, L name, and address.
correct. F name, L name, address. Only that much is sufficient? Is that sufficient? That is only for retrieval. But as I am having a condition of research from the department, I have to link the attribute. Which attribute I will link? Which attribute I will link?
Department name.
Department name is linking attribute. Department name is not there in employee table. Correct? Department name is not there in employee table. Correspondingly, which attribute is there in employee table? For department, check your schema and data values. You have data values of employee, data values of your department also. What is attribute? Scheme also, if you see, you will know. Tell me. DNO is there or not?
Yes, ma'am.
DNO is there in employee table, isn't it? So the linking attribute between department and employee is DNO. And in the department table, which attribute you will show? In the UML diagram, you will show D number and D name. So D number is a linking attribute as a primary key and with respect to department, and foreign key of the employee table. And for the condition, we require D name. Now show the primary key, D number of department linked to DNO of employee table in the UML diagram. Once you finish the UML diagram, you have to tell me, then we will write the query for it. Before writing the query, we will write the process. UML diagram is over? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt in drawing UML diagram? I'll stop sharing. One of you should share your UML diagram. Who will share? Rohit, can you share your UML diagram? Rohit. Are you there, Rohit?
Yes, ma'am. I'm making.
Share your UML diagram. Have you drawn?
Not yet, ma'am.
Why? Who has finished drawing? Vandana?
Ma'am, doing it.
Do it fast. How much time do you require to draw only 2 tables? Draw it and share. Let us see whether it is correct. Done, Rohit?
Yes, ma'am.
No need of PowerPoint. You just draw in your notebook and then take a photo pic and then share it here. Do it fast. How much time do you require? Huh? Share it. Over? Not it. Kirti? Who is going to share fast? Whoever finished can share. Not compulsory that only Rohit should share. Anyone who has completed can share. How much time? You finish it fast. You have to do so many queries. Over. Rohit?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you share, please? Okay. Employee, why you taken photo in this way? I have to see this way. Okay. F name, L name, address, and DNO. Primary key is D number and D name. Correct. Everybody has drawn same way? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So is this clear how you draw the UML for a particular query? Okay. Stop sharing. Rohit, stop sharing. Yeah.
Okay.
Fine. Thank you, Rohit. Now, with respect to that particular UML diagram, we are supposed to write the process. Okay. So can you tell me where we should start? Which table we should start for the process? We already written the process for one query of the library database. So similarly for this query, can you tell me which table we will start for the process? What is the condition asked? What is the condition? I want an answer from someone. What is the condition?
A name and address of employee who work in research
No,
department.
condition. I am not asking retrieval. I am asking condition. Condition is?
Where D name is research and
Very good. That's all. That's all.
where D name is research.
Condition is the name is research. Okay. So which table I should go first? Which table I should go first for the condition?
department.
Correct, very good. So write process, write heading process, then you write department, then you write D name equal to single quote research single quote. Next line, D number. What is the D number related to research? What is the DNO? What is the department number for research? Can you have the data with you? Do you have the data with you for research? What is the department number for research? Do you have the value? Yeah, you might have written the values already. What is the DNO for research? Sorry, D number, sorry. D number equal to? What is the value of D number? I want an answer from someone. Hello? No answer? What is D number corresponding to research?
Ma'am, we
Huh?
don't have the data. We don't have the data.
You don't have data. How come you don't have the data?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the DN number? You don't have data with you? Nobody has the data? Okay, let us see the data.
We have only the ER diagram of employee
But
company,
in the
ma'am.
schema,
That's
we
all.
wrote the data value. You didn't write the data values, is it? Okay, anyway, you just keep that particular part
Yes, ma'am.
blank, but you write D number equal to and leave that space. I will just open and just tell you the data values. Once you do that, where you have to go? You have to go to employee, right next to table employee. And then which attribute you'll write first? DNO equal to leave some because we don't know the D number. So same DNO you are going to write here. And then write F name equal to L name equal to address equal to. That is the corresponding DNO, whatever F name, L name, address you are going to write there. That is your process. Okay. See here, I have the data values. I will just zoom it. You're able to see? Are you able to see the values? Hello?
No, ma'am.
No?
No, ma'am.
Not visible, is it?
Ma'am,
This
the
one is
schema is
visible?
blank. Yes, ma'am.
Schema is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, I will show the data values. Is it visible?
No, ma'am.
Oh, how come? The same PDF I am showing.
Ma'am, the screen is
Ah.
blank.
Is it visible now?
No, ma'am, it is blank.
Blank, is it? Okay, I will stop sharing and again share it. I'll share it once again, wait. Now? Now? Is it visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes,
with
ma'am.
respect to D name equal to research, what is D number?
5.
Write that in your process. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, in your employee table, next table employee for DNO equal to 5. How many records are there you see? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Correct? So DNO equal to 5. Then you write F name. John, L name Smith, address 731 Ford, whatever. You just say Houston, Texas. Similarly, for the next value, you write Franklin, Wing, Houston, Texas. Then the next value you will write Ramesh K, not K, Ramesh Narayan, and what is the address? Humble, Texas. And the last value will be Joyce English, Houston, Texas. So 4 records you will get as the output. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let
Yes,
us go
ma'am.
to the query. How to write the query for it. Now your output is clear with respect to what you are supposed to write. Okay. Now, is it visible? Is the screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Is the screen visible?
Ma'am, it's flickering.
Flickering, no? I will stop and again.
Ma'am,
Yeah, I will share it once again. Wait. Now? Clear? Is it
yes, ma'am.
yes or no?
Yes, ma'am, it is
Now.
visible.
Now, how to write the query is very important. Process is ready. You know the output of the query. That is, you require 4 records with the first name, last name, and address for the research department. Is that clear to all of you? Is your process and UML diagram clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will write the query. We know that for writing a query, we use the select command. We write the attributes which are to be retrieved. We know that we require the name and address. So we write the attribute F name, comma L name, comma address. Now we know that we require 2 tables. One is employee table, which retrieves F name, L name, and address. Another one is linking the department table for research department name. So we write 2 table names, that is from employee, comma department. You can use more than 2 tables also in the if something is required in case of retrieval. Here in this case, we require only two tables, employee and department. So we are writing from employee comma department. The condition here is D name should be research. So the condition will be always written in the where clause. So we write where D name equal to, as it is a character or a string, we use single quote in research. So D name equal to single quote research single quote. And one more important point is we have to link the employee table with department using the primary key and foreign key attribute. So we know that D number is a primary key in department table and DNO is a foreign key in the employee table. So the condition will be along with the research. Another condition is join condition, that is and operator you will be using D number equal to DNO. D number indicates primary key of department, DNO indicates the foreign key of the employee table. Then put a semicolon. Is this query clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Yes or no?
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
write the query. In the same form which is written on the screen, you write down the query. Done? Once you finish the query, you have to tell me. Over?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Any
ma'am.
doubt in this particular query?
No, ma'am.
No,
We have
ma'am.
used? We have used more than one table. So definitely when you use more than one table, we use a join condition. Join condition specifies the primary key linked with the foreign key. The same attribute will be available in the base table as well as the foreign key table. And we can have more than one condition in the where clause. So here in our case, D name equal to research is one condition and the other one is join condition. You can have multiple condition using AND operator multiple times and have multiple conditions and multiple joins. Okay. And similarly from will be with respect to my tables which you are going to use separated by commas. And above will be the attributes to be retrieved separated by commas. That is F name, L name, and address. So we stop here for today and we'll continue for the next query in the next class. Tomorrow, our class is at 12 o'clock. Okay. Now I'll take attendance and stop for today. Rajas,
Present, ma'am.
Varun, Pratik, Shingamba,
Present, ma'am.
yeah. Sudip Suman, Vishrut, Hitaishi,
Present, ma'am.
yeah. Pawan, Prabal Gupta, Pranjal, Prasanna,
Ma'am, Pawan present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Pawan present, okay. Prasanna present,
Present, ma'am.
Pratibha, Praveen Aparna,
Present, ma'am. Pratibha present, ma'am.
okay. Praveen, Preeti,
Present, ma'am.
Rakesh, Raksha Tiwari, Rakshita,
Present, ma'am.
Ramandeep, Riya,
Present, ma'am.
Riya is present, yeah. Rishika Ranjan, Rohan Kamble,
Present, ma'am.
yeah. Rohit Jumnani, Rohit Kumar Das, present.
Present, ma'am.
Yeah. Ruchita,
Present, ma'am.
present. Akshita,
Present, ma'am.
Bhavana,
Present, ma'am.
Akshita is present. Bhavana, Vandana,
Present, ma'am.
Siren, Samir Pandey, Sampanna, Rohit Jumnani is present. Okay. Siren, Samir Pandey, Sampanna, Sanjay, Sarita, Saurav Kumar, Saurav Raj, Sheikh Abdul, Shailendra,
Present, ma'am.
Sheikh Abdul is present.
Yes, ma'am.
Shailendra, Shashwat John, Shaurya Agarwal,
Yes, ma'am.
oh, okay, present. Shiva Singh, Shivangi, Shivani Sen.
Present, ma'am.
What is your problem, ma, Shivani? This is your fourth class. What is the problem?
Sorry, ma'am.
This is your fourth class, I said.
No, ma'am.
I
have attended. I have attended more, ma'am.
See, in my attendance, it is fourth class.
Ma'am, there is lot of network issues.
Okay, let me check later. Then Shiva Singh is telling he is present. Yeah. Shiva Singh is marked present. Next is Shlok. Shlok, Shreyoshi, Shresht Singh, Shreya,
Present, ma'am.
Shreyan, Shreyan, Sriharsha, Sushant.
Present, ma'am.
Sushant is present. Where were you, ma? So many days?
Ma'am, I wasn't feeling well.
Huh? This is your 7th class out of 28th class. Sham, Siddhartha,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah. Shrikant,
Present, ma'am.
yeah. Sugandhini,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Suhas, Suhas Ji, Suhas Aitar,
Present, ma'am.
Sujit,
Present, ma'am.
yeah. Sumant,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Sushma, Tanmay, Tanmay, Teja, Tushin,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Umama, Vaishnav Shukla, I think he has put in the chat, yeah, present. Varun Bhardwaj,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Vinaya,
Present, ma'am.
yeah. Vishal, Vishal Thakur, Vishwas,
Present, ma'am.
where were you so many days?
Ma'am, I'd been to my native, ma'am.
Okay. Pranav, Pranav, Sai Gokul, Yutika, Mohammad Tahir, Kirti, yeah, yeah. Malini,
Present, ma'am.
Yutika is present. Yutika is present. Yeah, marked. Yutika marked. Malini
Kirti also.
present. Yeah. Monisha.
Present, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Monisha also present. Correct. Then Rani Supriya,
Present, ma'am.
Sagar, Sudha.
Present, ma'am.
Yeah. Suma.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, then take care. Those who are not uploaded, please upload your PDF for project phase 1. Otherwise, your marks will be deducted. Okay?
Ma'am, we
Here that today you
submitted the
finish it
PDF
up.
just now.
And one more thing I had asked you is question numbers you have attempted to cross-check with respect to my entry. Okay? So please upload that also. 32 members have already uploaded. Remaining have to upload. Please do that. Today only you have to finish that. Okay then. Take care. Bye for now. Tomorrow we'll meet at 12 o'clock. Bye for now. Take care. Bye.